think I'm obsessed with this, but I'm okay with it. I am obsessed with it. And I think this is an obsession that doesn't hurt anyone.
I know you guys have like your root hewn products, your soil hewn products. So what was kind of the thought process behind those, and just what are your guys' stance on those products?
So yeah, biostimulants are a huge part of our products. They're incorporated into a lot of our NPK products. We have our root hewn, which is humic acid, and we have our soil hewn, which is humic acid and seaweed. Yeah, a tool in the toolbox, a great product to use in coordination with your fertilizer program.
What are your top 5 products that you think you guys produce and their uses?
Yeah, so there's no one size fits all NPK for all lawns. What might work for you might not be the best for me. It all depends on the needs of your individual grass type, where you're located. So, but yeah, so we have 1648, that's a great product. 15015 is great if you want a phosphorus-free product. Lawn Energizer, I know all of you guys love Lawn Energizer. Dark Green is our new product. It's a liquid iron, has low nitrogen. Because we get asked that a lot, kind of blindly, like, what would you recommend, or even what would you recommend? I have Bermuda, and it's kind of like, we'll be doing you a disservice if we just tell you, right? So soil test and the individual needs of your grass type.
Yep.
And listening to that response. Deficiency, you have sufficiency, and then you have excessive, and it's between deficiency and sufficiency is when you want to apply nutrients. Yeah, or if it's not green, and you do put down nitrogen and iron and say it's not greening up, then it's kind of, you should be suspicious of a different deficiency. And then it's always kind of playing detective, right? And listening to the response of your lawn. So. Yeah, so after you seed and the seed has germinated, you had your first mow, typically it'll show signs of nitrogen deficiency, so that's always good to put down. Cool season, the fall, best time to put down nitrogen and fertilize in general. For warm season, we're not really doing renovation projects down here, so our fertilizing program is kind of going to depend on our grass type. Lower nitrogen demanding turfs don't need any more nitrogen. We're kind of done for the year. If you do have a nitrogen demanding turf, then you might put down, a little bit more nitrogen, but not push it like cool season lawn.